Today I have Batiste Dry Shampoos over here. I have been loving this brand for 10 over years now. I was using their dry shampoos all the way since I was in secondary school. Not only because of its convenience, but it also allows me to refresh my hair in just 3 seconds and make them feel as good as new on the go. Especially for those of you who are always late for your meetings, late for school, or if you're in the middle of your day and you realize that your hair is like really flat and limp and oily, a dry shampoo is gonna be your savior. So today I'm gonna share with you 3 very easy hairstyles for 3 different scenarios. First one, casual day out. I'm taking the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo and Volume. This one helps to refresh your hair and give you the volume you need in just 3 seconds. Shake, section your hair. I like to focus mostly on the crown of my head because that's where I want to give it a lot of volume. Run your fingers through. Can you just see how much more volume it gave to my hair? And it's so soft and bouncy. It looks like I just washed my hair in the shower. First thing, you want to split your hair into half. Secure it. Now that you have your hair in a half up, half down ponytail, you want to gather the rest of the hair and tie it at the ponytail. Now pull out some pieces to frame the shape of your face and give it more volume. Now you'll have something like this. For me, sometimes I like to put my hair in a low bun, so just take the rest, twirl it around and secure it again with another hair tie. And there you have it, a casual hairstyle look. Hairstyle number 2, when you're late for your Zoom meetings. You want your hair to be really nice and voluminous because you want to look like you spent a lot of time and effort and you woke up super early for this meeting. I'm going to be creating a big voluminous wave. Of course, I already have a little bit of curls, but let's not forget, we need volume. So I'm using the same dry shampoo and volume from Batiste to give myself more volume. We're gonna concentrate a lot on the top part of our hair, so same thing, take the first top half of the layer, put it at the front. Taking your hair color, and you wanna split your hair starting from the back and start curling from a high area that's near the crown of your head. And you wanna just go 45 degrees like this. Twist, gather more hair. And let go. So this is what you'll be left with. It to the back, and we will do it in about 3 sections each side. For the front part, this is the most important part because you want it to be really nice and airy. So I'm splitting my fringe, taking a little bit and putting it to this side. So I'm just doing this part of the hair the same way. For the fringe, I like to go upwards and just do 1 twirl. Release it upwards and backwards. And there you'll have something like this. Now let's do the other side. Alright, so at this stage, look at how nice and bouncy your curls look. This is one trick I learned from my makeup artist, is to use dry shampoo as your hairspray to fix your hair, because sometimes hairsprays can give you that very stiff, very wet, very not malleable kind of look. And if you want your hair to look like this, nice and airy, and yet still keep its place, try a dry shampoo. Hairstyle number 3, when you're late for a date. For this, I'm going in with the Batiste Dry Shampoo and Hydrate for me to refresh and hydrate in 3 seconds. Makes my hair feel so soft. Now for this hairstyle, we're going to be using a hairband. You want to segment your hair like so. Put it behind your ears. And put on the hairband. You can leave it like this. So this way you have a little bit more volume at the front, so you don't look like this. What I'll do is take this entire chunk and do a nice little braid. Split it into two, and you want to twist it quite loosely. Put it in a little rubber band, and you want to be pulling some of the pieces, making it a little bit more fluffy and voluminous. Then tuck it behind. Hide it with the rest of your hair. So this reminds me a lot of a princess hairdo, but it's so simple. It looks like you really spent a lot of time and effort on this hairstyle, but it's also really sweet. Alrighty, so these are the 3 very simple hairstyles for 3 different scenarios that we all go through in our life using the Batiste dry shampoos. They are so handy and so affordable as well, and they smell so good. You guys can get yours now at Watson. I'll see you next time. Bye!